a place where I love to be. Look in a book, here's a story for you. Who makes stories when the day is through? Who makes stories when the day is through? Story makers, working through the night till the rising sun. Story makers, stories are fabulous, stories are fun.
Byron Wordsworth.
Shelley and Jackson,
working through the night till the rising sun. Story makers, stories are fabulous, stories are fun. Come and be a story maker. Story makers. Story makers. Story makers.
It's midnight in the library. Hello.
time for all story makers to come out. Are you ready?
Sun is down, the stars are bright. Story makers come out at night. Hi, story makers. I'm Byron. Byron Wordsworth, here to make some magic and lots of stories.
Oh, hello. It's very soft and floaty in the library tonight because the children were reading about birds. Yeah, and the librarian brought some feathers in. I'm being a pink bird because I've got pink feathers.
Jelly.
What are you doing, Jackson?
I'm being a bird, Jelly. Look, I've got feathers like a bird and I'm flapping my arms like a bird.
Yes.
But I'm not getting into the air like a bird.
Oh, well, maybe you will if you keep practicing, Jackson. I want to try too.
Hi, Gels. Hi, Jax.
Hello, Byron.
What's all the flapping about?
Well, we're learning to fly.
Yes, but it isn't very easy, Byron.
No.
I think you two dicky birds need to slow down. And talking of dicky birds, why don't I show you some tricky dicky bird fingers work? Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready too? Two little dicky birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul.
Oh, that's very clever, Byron.
Yes. How did you do that?
Ah, with some fast finger work, my green queen. Oh, I think it's time for a story. Perhaps one of these dicky birds might help. In it goes. Now, are you ready to hit me with those magic words to make the story machine work?
Imagine, imagine, imagine a story.
What's it gonna be?
Don't know, Jelly.
Let's see.
Oh, it's a playbook.
And it's called the Quack Quack Duck Song. Cosmic. I'm a duck who likes to talk. Quack, 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 quack. I'm a duck who likes to talk. Quack, quack, quack. I talk and play all day long. Come on and sing my song. Oh, quack, 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 shake the feathers on your back. Waddle, waggle, wiggle. Join in and have a giggle. I'm a duck who waddles along. Waddle, 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 waddle. I'm a duck who waddles along. Waddle, waddle, waddle. I waddle and play all day long. Come on and sing my song. I'm a duck on the silvery pond. Swim, 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 swim. I'm a duck on the silvery pond. Swim, swim, swim. I swim and play all day long. Come on and sing my song. Oh, quack, 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 shake the feathers on your back. Waddle, waggle, wiggle. Join in and have a giggle. I'm a duck who likes eating bread. Yum, 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 yum. I'm a duck who likes eating bread. Yum, yum, yum. I eat and play all day long. Come on and sing my song. I'm a duck who likes to sleep. Sleep, 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 sleep. I'm a duck who likes to sleep. Sleep, sleep, sleep. I sleep and play all day long. Come on and sing my song. Oh, quack, 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 shake the feathers on your back. Waddle, waggle, wiggle. Join in and have a giggle. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. I'm a duck who follows my mum. Follow, 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 follow. I'm a duck who follows my mum. Follow, follow, follow. I follow my mum all day long. Come on and sing my song. I'm a duck who loves the water. Splish, splash, splish, splish, splash, splish. I'm a duck who loves the water. Splish, splash, splish. I splash and splish all day long. Come on and sing my song. Oh, quack, 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 shake the feathers on your back. Waddle, waggle, wiggle. Join in and have a giggle. Join in and have a giggle. Join in and have a giggle.
Oh, I love that story.
Yes.
Come on, Jackson, let's be ducks and sing that song.
Oh, yes, but first of all, I'd better hear you quack, and you can join in too. Okay.
Yes. Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack. Okay, and now I want to see you flap. Flap, 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 flap,
Flap, flap,
flap, flap, flap, flap.
flap,
And
flap,
and now shake those feathers on your back. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, well that all looks good to me. So here goes. Flap my feathers. I'm a duck who likes to talk.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack.
I'm a duck who likes to talk.
Quack, quack, quack.
I talk and play all day long. Come on and sing my song. Woo! Quack, 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 shake the feathers on my back. Waddle, waddle, wiggle. Join in and have a giggle. That was good. Now I'm going to be a waddling duck.
Okay.
I'm a duck who waddles along.
Waddle, waddle, waddle. Waddle, waddle, waddle.
I'm a duck who waddles along.
Waddle, waddle, waddle.
I waddle and play all day long. Come on and sing my song. Woo! Quack, 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 shake the feathers on my back. Waddle, waggle, wiggle. Join in and have a giggle. Join in and have a giggle.
Yes.
That was good.
Let's make another story now, Jackson. I'm whacked.
Don't you mean quacked?
Yes, very funny, Jackson. I think we should put one of your feathers in.
Oh, yes, that's a good idea, because they're not much good for flying.
No.
Come on.
Yes.
Maybe these will help someone else to fly.
Yes.
Will you help with the special ingredient?
Imagine.
Imagine. Imagine a story.
What's it gonna be, Jackson?
Don't know.
Oh, it's a blue cow story.
And it's called Blue Cow in the Springtime.
In a field not far away is a herd of cows grazing quietly. One of the cows is most unusual. Blue Cow wonders about the big world beyond her field. One day, Blue Cow was thinking about the springtime. I wonder what animals are born in the spring. She's off again, said the other cows. So Blue Cow caught the bus that stops beside her field. I'd like a ticket to meet a baby animal, please. There you go, madam. Hold very tight. And they set off for the countryside. And then they arrived. There were lots of spring flowers. Insects were humming in the air, and it was a nice warm day. Blue Cow was looking up at a tree when suddenly... Woof! A baby bird had fallen out of the tree and landed on Blue Cow's back. Moo! Are you all right?
I'm fine, thank you.
He jumped off Blue Cow and onto the ground.
I'm Bob. My mummy's gone shopping and I wanted to fly after her, but I don't know how.
Ooh, maybe I can help you. I'm Blue Cow. I think you have to flap your wings like this. She flapped her arms up and down.
But you're not flying,
said Bob. I can't fly. I don't have wings, but you have. Flap, flap, flap. Bob tried to fly. Keep flapping. Flap. He started to hover. Flap, up, up, flap.
I'm flying. Thank you, Blue Cow.
He soared up into the air, up and down and round and round.
Whee, this is fun.
Blue Cow was watching Bob so closely that she didn't see a tree stump in front of her.
Oh, watch out for the...
Bonk! She tripped up, somersaulted through the air and landed back on the ground.
Oh, well done, Blue Cow. You can fly after all.
Moo, yes, but I think I'm safer on the ground. You'll never guess where I've been. Where have you been? I've been teaching a baby bird how to fly. Everyone knows that cows can't teach birds how to fly. But we know they can, don't we?
Blue Cow didn't really fly like Bob. She just tripped up. I can't fly either, but I soon will be able to when I have made my dicky bird wings. Look. Do you like them?
What's Jackson doing over there?
I don't know. But Byron, you know your two little dicky birds?
Oh, I sure do, my Green Queen.
Well, did you put them both in the story machine?
Well, I put one in the story machine, and the other one is... yeah, just here.
Hello, little dicky bird.
Oh, you know, look, if I take this sticker, I can change our little dicky bird into a robin redbreast, you see?
Oh, he's really sweet. Can I hold him, please?
Why, certainly, my pea green princess.
Yes,
There you are.
yes.
There you go. Look, he's as snug as a bug with you. Hey, Giles, did you know there's a rhyme all about him?
Oh, yes, I have heard it before. But will you say it again, Byron?
Certainly. The north wind doth blow, and we shall have snow. And what will the robin do then? Poor thing.
He'll sit in a barn and keep himself warm and hide his head under his wing. Poor thing.
Did somebody say wing?
Whoa,
Because look at
Jackson.
my wings. Yes, now I can really fly
Yes.
like a bird. Well, I can nearly fly.
Well, don't worry, Jackson. We can make a story to make you feel better.
Yes.
Can we use your robin redbreast?
Oh, sure thing, Giles.
Okay. In you go, Robin Redvest.
But we can't make a story without imagination.
No.
You'll help, won't you?
Imagine. Imagine. Imagine a story. Oh, it's a three-bear story.
And it's called Shivers and Twitters.
There's a house in the woods that's cozy and neat, where three furry creatures are waiting to eat. The porridge is ready, hip hip hooray! But who will come for breakfast with the three bears today? Poor Father Bear. All he wanted was some peace in the morning to eat his breakfast. But who could that be knocking at the door? Baby Bear skipped over to answer it.
If it's Goldilocks, tell her to come back later. Oh, she's a proper nuisance. Oh.
Said Father Bear. But it wasn't Goldilocks, it was... Oh, who was it then? Baby Bear stood in the doorway shivering. A chilly north wind was blowing. She looked left and right, but there was nobody in sight.
There isn't anybody there.
She frowned.
Well, shut the door quick. You're letting the cold in.
That's funny.
Baby Bear shut the door, but straight away there came a tiny tapping at the door again.
Oh, someone's playing silly billies.
Growled Father Bear. He padded over to answer the door. In came the wind, buffety blow with a chilly huff-puff and a sprinkle of snow. He looked left and right, but there was no one in sight.
Please shut the door, Father.
Oh, yes. Can anybody hear twittering?
Keep still, Father. There's a bird on your head.
Giggled Baby Bear.
Oh,
What are you doing up there, Poppet?
Mother Bear gently picked up the robin, then she put it down on the table.
I had to get out of that chilly wind. I'm frozen from me beak to me feet.
Shivered the robin.
Shall I make you a nest?
Said Baby Bear, and before the robin could answer, she skipped off and came back with a little box.
I'll fill it with bits of Father's newspaper.
The robin let out a happy twitter.
I'm not a very quick knitter. This was supposed to be a sweater.
Said Mother Bear, and she put a little woolly vest on the robin, who twittered joyfully.
I think I might have something tasty for you in my fishing bait tin.
The north wind doth blow, and we shall have snow.
And what shall this robin do then?
Poor thing.
I'll give you a vest.
And I'll make you a nest.
And I'll feed you on grubs from me tin.
You're such kind bears. You make me feel like singing all day long.
Twittered the robin.
Hey, would you like a spot of our porridge, Mr. Robin? It'll warm you up good and proper.
Well, I don't mind sharing a bowl.
Chirped the robin. They all sat down to a porridgey feast, and Mother Bear added a special treat.
It's licorice nibbles today.
Licorice nibbles. Yum, yum. Tuck in, everyone.
I like that story, Byron, but I'm a bit sad because I can't fly.
Oh, Jess, you weren't meant to fly. You're too heavy. You see, birds have very light bodies and lots of feathers, so it's a lot easier for them.
But it would be nice to fly for just 1 little minute.
Oh, I know what you mean, Gels. It would be nice to just soar into the sky.
Yes.
Oh, but look, it's getting light. The sun is rising. We better skedaddle.
Skedaddle.
Yes, the children will be coming to the library soon.
Dawn is upon us. The morning is nigh. We've made our stories, and we bid you goodbye.
Story makers, working through the night till the rising sun. Story
Thanks for helping. Bye.
Come back and see us soon.
See you later, Story Maker.